So here we are, guys. We got the mighty 81 Camaro 10 bolt out of the car. Has been out of the car actually, because I had to put 2 forward boxes in, or getting ready to. And it's got some awesome 255 gears. So got all the brake parts off. Pretty easy task, of course. Gonna put a pan under the cover and go ahead and pop that off and let it drain. I'm going to take this up to Moser and have them rebuild it. So got to clean it up first. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. We'll see what happens with it. I guess I have to go around here to the office and see what's going on. All right, it's a cool place. Really. Super nice. Z. Beautiful. Okay. It's pretty easy thing for me. I'm only about an hour and a half away from here, so took the rear end out of the car and brought it up here, and like I said, quick turnaround. Hey everybody, there's an update on the Camaro, the 81 Camaro project. It certainly is a project. Cat doesn't have much help for me. Took the rear end out of this a few weeks back and stuff, and that was a open rear end. I took it up to Moser Engineering up in Portland, Indiana. It's only about an hour and a half drive for me from here. So anyway, they put a true track posi unit in it, 342 gears. I did some research, and that's a nice, good street strip gear. You know, just get all around. You know, you're not going to be the best on the highway or anything like that, but definitely not going to be the worst. So I just couldn't do it. It was going to be $350 more. They could have cleaned up the case itself and powder coated it and everything. But it's got all new bearings and seals and everything, and brand new yoke supplied by them. Installation pack, setup, it's ready to go, other than, you know, putting the axles in and, you know, getting it back in the car and everything, and filling it full of fluid and whatnot. So stock 10 bolt for that year comes with the 28 spline axles. These are brand new Moser axles. They put a little longer wheel stud in them because I am switching it to disc brakes on the rear. But I'll tell you what, 2-day turnaround time, and great people up there, really nice, knowledgeable. You know, had a lot of questions about doing something like this. He could have set me up with a brand new 12 bolt with their housing, gears, track unit, all that stuff. Would have been around $2,400, and I just can't put that kind of money into it. And I still would have, you know, the disc brake conversion and everything. It would have been great, but for what I'm going to use this car for, or hope to use it for. Maybe an occasional run to the strip or something like that. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, you know, go from an open rear end with, I can't remember the gear ratio it had in it. It was 2 something, because this was a Berlinetta, and with a 6-cylinder in it. So it had some highway gears in it, obviously. So anyway, that's what we got right now. I'm liking it. You know, one of these days I'll get the torque boxes welded back in. I got one side done, working on the other side. It's all test fitted, and you know, got it in place and everything. I just got to take it back out and do a little more prep work and start welding the driver's side torque box in and the rear floor pan. Once I get that in, I can start putting the back end underneath this car. So that's what I've got right now, and I'm going to update this just as soon as I can.